Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix PDF import scale way too high or too low using the easy method. This is a great way to repair your broken drawing sizes on your current setup session so your imported lines fit perfectly right where they belong. Step 1. Open your main PDF file settings panel. The first step is to pick up the standard file reader tool from your top menu row to open the preference box where the software handles incoming paper files. Move your mouse pointer up to the top row of tools, click on the tab that says Insert, find the button labeled PDF Import, select your document from your computer folder window, and click Open. Watch for a large options panel filled with checkboxes and picture settings to open right in the middle of your monitor screen view. Because you cannot fix a bad layout size if you skip the main loading control room, you have to open this configuration box so you can adjust the size rules before the computer writes the lines into the active file memory card. Without this step, your software will simply guess the dimensions using old wrong rules, which leaves your drawing looking far too giant or way too small. Step 2. Fix the number entry in the scale box. Next, you need to find the specific size input row inside this options panel and change the default number to match the actual size rule of your document. Look at the middle column of the open panel, find the text label that says Scale, click your mouse inside the small number entry box next to it, and type in your corrected number row. If your past imports came in way too huge, change the default number from 1 down to a tiny value like 0.1 or 0.01. If they came in way too small, type a bigger multiplier number like 10 or 100. Because when a PDF file is created from an outside Office machine, it often saves the shapes using a different counting rule than your main canvas. By typing a direct multiplier change into this preference box, you override those confusing background settings completely. It ensures the software engine recalculates the spacing of every single line flat against your screen background canvas perfectly. And that's it. To fix PDF import scale way too high or too low, you must first go to the Insert tab and click PDF Import to open your Configuration Manager panel. Then you move your mouse to the scale box and change the number value to a larger multiplier or a smaller fraction to adjust your layout size. Next, you look at the bottom row to ensure your unit type dropdown matches your drawing board exactly on your screen canvas rows. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.